Mashallah. So we have a spring lamb leg roast, and I have placed in here a red pear, a bosque pear, and a green pear with some white onion. There's garlic cloves and fresh mint leaves on the bottom. I've seasoned it with ground white pepper, coriander, ground allspice, ground cardamom, and cumin with some nice chunky Atlantic sea salt. I'm gonna roast this low and slow, inshallah, and you'll see later on what it turns out to be. Looks amazing, nice and tender, juicy. The pears are cooked quite nice. Mashallah. Tender, tender. The pears and then the lamb got a mint leaf on there. You can't really see it though. Garlic, the onions, all nice and soft, wonderful. The carrots here I did earlier, they have dill, cumin, lemon, honey, salt, and bell pepper, red bell pepper. Very nice. Alhamdulillah. Mashallah. I love cooking. And the sweet pears, man, they sure do look pretty.